Hey, Wagwan, welcome. Today I have something very interesting to tell you. Guess what? Your lifestyle, a certain attitude, a certain behavior that does not contribute positive and beneficial for your existence, you are doing something wrong to yourself. You see, people who already make up their mind and decide to live a certain type of lifestyle, once a person commit himself to a certain lifestyle, a certain behavior, me nor you can do nothing to change that. So a person have to first come to the conscious decision to make a change. You see, once that person make that conscious choice to make a change, then that person will begin to do everything that is necessary to bring that change. You understand? So nobody kill up yourself. And trust me, I know how stressing it becomes trying to bring some awareness to a person, a group, or an individual. And it seems like everything you try is just not working. After experiencing that personally, it was then I realized that I was putting myself through a lot of stress, depression, trying to change a person who has already committed themselves to a certain lifestyle and a certain behavior. They do not wish to make a change. That person will continue to do any and everything to bring some negative energy in the midst of everything, just to bring about confusion. That is how far a person will go, and they will do everything to stay within the confines of what they want their life to be. Stop trying to change people. It won't work. What you must do is continue to be the best version of yourself. Continue to live your best life. Continue to grow. Continue to learn. Only the wise shall incline their ears. Make your action be enough. You do not need to be worrying yourself. You do not need to be stressing yourself out based on the fact that a person chooses to live their life the way they want to. Don't let that be the reason for your depression, your stress, your hardship. You deserve to live your best life. You deserve to continue to grow into the best version of yourself. You owe that to you. You know, sometimes all it takes is just for you to stop for a moment, take a deep breath, relax your mind, and continue to make all the conscious decisions that you have already been making. And that is the reason why you are at this point of awareness, this point in your life, living in prosperity. And so much people around you is wondering why your life is like that. And every day you try to show them, but they just can't see because they were not here to see that. It is not for them to reach such level of awareness. So continue to live your peace, your happiness. Continue to be the best version of yourself. You owe it to yourself. You deserve it. It's a natural given right. If a person really loves themselves, they will do what is necessary to become the good, better, best version of themselves. We were born with the ability to be the best version of ourselves. Continue to love yourself because obviously you do. So stop trying to worry about the next person's life, how the person chooses to live, regardless of the fact that that person may be a friend, a family, a lover. There's always something that is different. Not everyone will get it. Not everyone chooses to, because that's where they find their moral value. That's where their moral value lies. That's where their self-esteem lies. You understand? There is something that has been embedded in my genetical code, and because of that reason I am always able to find myself and continue to be the person that I am. And if you feel this positive energy that I'm sharing, remember to share it with somebody else. Let nothing stop you from having a beautiful day, a wonderful life. Live your best life. I am living my best life.